So the deacon's threat has ended, and civilization may start anew on dry land.
Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need a time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder where I put you, but this is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage, don't leave my heart damaged. To understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. Baby, won't you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need a time and place to come through. Ooh, send me your location, let's rise the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you.